make we send tribute to one person. That person na legendary, na icon, and na activist. Na person wey be say he get integrity. 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 Now, very famous person. That person, you know, be any other than Sound Sultan. We go talk. Sound Sultan. We go talk more about him. Me, I not too know much about him. But since when I did picking, small picking there, like late 2000, I dey follow this guy. I dey see what this guy dey do. They promote basketball. They promote basketball. Yeah? They promote basketball. Even for some of the music skin, I been a click, they call him. It is always this make sure say basketball they go. He don't try, he don't play. Bless, he don't play. But me, I know if he talk how much. One day for this platform, I go call somebody we know him. Well, pass me. And you go come, or she go come. Explain much about Sound Sultan. Na musician. I remember one of his songs. Wait me that Sound Sultan. Hey. He did for that song. Hey, legba. Wait me that song. Yeah. And which one again? One day the bush me go catch the hunter. I get one of these things, basketball song. When I did late 2000, I forget in title and I don't forget the song from my head. But make us sing this song. We play in basketball. Also, still for another tribute to Sound Sultan. Yeah. So they play basketball in Nigeria. And many people like basketball. But for Sound Sultan, first, 5 seconds. 5. No, 4 seconds for Sound Sultan. Yeah. Oh, thank you. I feel no reach the 4 seconds because I don't get time here. As I did tape this one, I know. As I did tape, so I don't get time. I just set my recording device, even though I see this, so I just turn and backward. May just catch up me. I feel they don't come off for camera like this. And I go just be patient, no. I just try to set up and they organize. Yeah. Sound Sultan don't do many things to promote the culture of basketball in this country. And you know differentiate whether you come from north, whether from a south, whether in a east and west them, they always they promote. I believe so. I wanna go hear much about